Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,189 plus 142 points was where we shut shop on Nifty futures. Clearly, there was a positive day. It was kind of a pullback situation, which erupted on Friday. 39,834 plus 436 points gains witnessed on Nifty Bank futures. It gained by 1.11%. So let's see where the SGX Nifty is pointing to this morning and whether these gains which happened on Friday are sustainable or not. That's a good question to ask. Okay, SGX Nifty is pointing to a 108-point drop. 17,070 thereabouts is the expected open for Nifty 50 futures. So SGX Nifty is pointing to a 17,070 thereabouts start for the Indian markets. Well, looking at the charts, we have 17,000 and 17,000 is the major litmus test. So that's 16,927 thereabouts, which is showing on the charts. And then you have 16,764, which is a major level. So you have clearly 17,000 and 16,500 as the two major levels on the lower side. Higher side, you have 17,200, 17,500 as the major levels. Looking at the futures OI, clearly we are seeing some small tweak in the open interest as you see the bar height of the bars. And clearly, there was some amount of short covering which caused the rally to move. So let's see if the shorts re-erupt today as we move along. Looking at the options OI, you have 17,500 thereabouts as a good reasonable call OI, and then 17,800. On the lower side, you have 17,000, and then, well, of course, markets are expected to open close to 17,000. So 16,800 is the next major level, which we are looking at, and 16,500 is follow through after that. So Bank Nifty here we have. Bank Nifty also could possibly open on the negative binge. So 38,831 is a major support zone, but you have 39,500, 39,000, two major levels on the lower side. On the higher side, you have 40,000, 4,500 as the major levels. And of course, 42,000 on an overall basis is a very, very strong level on the higher side. So looking at the futures OI, you're seeing a marginal short covering there, so which caused the prices to move up. Okay, Bank Nifty, we are looking at 46,000, 46,500, two major level, 40,000, 40,500, two major levels on the higher side. Supports being at 39,000, that's the major level on the lower side. Well, top gainers, losers, DLF, Intellect, AB Capital. Losers, Biocon, M&M Finance, India Cement. Well, the sectoral index contribution, you had private banks which contributed substantially on Friday with a positive 47.73 points positive contribution to the Nifty as such. Much of these analyses, quite a few essential tools are available on Quantsapp. You could register and avail those free tools as such. iCard could pop up, which could help you in registering in the right-hand corner as such. So please do register and avail the free tools. And equip your trading with some data analysis, which a strong, data-driven trader should pursue. Looking at the built-up sectorally, fertilizer, cap goods, IT on the long side, pharma, media, oil on the short side. Well, Manappuram is one stock which we have on the radar. 119, 126, two resistance points, 109, 101 are the supports. On a breakout from 115, 116 levels, it could march higher. That's what the sense is. So it's kind of in a bullish thing, but the futures OIH not showing a substantial traction there. Let's look at the options. On the options front, 115, as I pointed out, is a stiff level. 120 is the next major level on the higher side. 110 on the lower side is the put OI, which should act as a guarded support. The other stock is Godrej CP, Godrej Consumer Products. So clearly, we are seeing some amount of interest there. 980 and 1076, two major levels on the higher side. Supports being 900 and 864. So clearly, on a breakout of 980 plus levels, a sustained move over there could take it on the higher trajectory. So Godrej CP is a stock we are seeing a longs coming in over there. Well, let's look at the options open interest. 1000 happens to be substantial call OI, so that's there. Unwinding in the 960, 950 strike could take this higher. That's the sense which we are getting. 900 is a major put OI, which we can see from the chart as such. The two stocks on the ban list, India Bull Housing Finance, GNFC. Well, before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before trading in derivatives. Also, please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. Well, 16,800, 17,002 major levels on the lower side, 17,200, 17,500 major levels for Nifty on the higher side. We already discussed Bank Nifty levels also. Sectoral long built up, fertilizer, cap goods, IT. Short built up, pharma, media, oil. The two stocks in focus were Manappuram and Godrej Consumer Products. 980 plus, you have to remember these important levels because these are the threshold levels above which you should consider positions in these stocks. That's the sense which we have from an educational angle. Manappuram 119. So 120 plus levels is what you could consider for Manappuram. So GNFC, India Bull Housing Finance, is on the ban list. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.